Megan Allen create romantic winter, skin the light and effects, core feature effects, color mix and colors. Winter skins can be some of the most romantic ones for your couples. This tutorial will utilize the light and effects panel to bring attention to the subject and enhance the wonderful winter wonderland behind them. That the image is very interesting. It's a tutorial. Now we see a winter effect image. Let's do editing that the image. Loading image. Loading image. Chapter 1 of 4, black and white. First, we can't move forward until we turn this photo into black and white. Okay, continue. First time, open the color panel. Okay. Make the photo black and white. Okay. Chapter 1 completed. Chapter 2 of 4, light. Second, it's time to light it up. Let's modify that light to make this winter skin come to life. Open the light panel. Okay. Increase the exposure. It's easier to pull up shadows than recover blown highlights, which is why I underexposed the image. Okay, now let's boost the contrast. Let's pull down the highlights next. And now let's pull up the shadows to reveal what's in that darkness suite. With all that snow, let's brighten the whites to snow it off. Next, we will push those blacks darker. Okay. Open the curves tool. Okay, chapter 2 completed. Chapter 3 of 4. Color is everything, even in black and white image. Hit those grayscale mixer and watch the image sense. Okay, tap done. Close the curve panel. Okay, done. Open the color panel. Open the color mix panel. Okay, open. Select the reds. Okay, let's take the reds down a bit fast. Okay, select the aqueous. Okay, next take down the aqueous. Okay, select the blues. Okay, finally pull down the blues. Step 3, chapter 3 completed. 4. For this particular image we are hitting the effects panel hard. You will see the sense in the snow and environment. Okay, continue. Tap down to close the color mix panel. Okay, done. Tap down to color mix panel. Okay, done. Open the effects panel. Done. Let's push that clarity and see the snowflakes become beautifully sharp. Okay, okay. Reduce atmospheric has a darken light tones for the wind. That looks great. Try this on your own photos. Congratulations, that looks pretty great. Okay, done. Finally, you can complete it. Thanks for feedback. Okay, keep going or leave feedback.